Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we're going shopping. We'll visit both a store and a market, and you'll hear lots of useful phrases for real life. This is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Let's get started. Imagine you're walking down the street and see a small store on the corner. You need to buy some groceries, so you decide to go in. As you enter, you might say, "Hello, good morning." The store clerk will likely reply, "Good morning. How can I help you today?" Now you need to find some items. You can ask, "Excuse me, I'm looking for rice. Where is it?" The clerk might answer, "Rice is in aisle 3, on the left." You could also ask, "Do you have fresh vegetables?" And they might say, "Yes, they're near the back." Next to the fruits, when you find the rice, you see it comes in different sizes. You think, "Which one should I buy?" Maybe you decide, "Let's get the medium bag, that's enough for 1 week." Then you see some tomatoes and think, "They look fresh. How much are they?" You look at the price tag and see it shows $2 per kilo. You might wonder, is 2 kilos too much? It probably is, so you decide, let's just take 1 kilo for now. You also want a loaf of bread and some cheese. The store clerk might check in by saying, "Let me know if you need anything else." Once you have everything, you go to the checkout and say, "We're ready to pay." The clerk will tell you the total. Sure, that will be $12.50. You can then ask, "Can I pay by card?" They'll often reply, "Yes, we accept card or cash." You can choose your preferred method. For example, "Card, please." As you leave, it's polite to say, "Thanks. See you next time." The clerk will likely say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." Now, let's head to an outdoor market to buy some fruit. At a market stall, you can ask directly, "Hello? How much are these apples?" The seller might say, "Hello, $1 per apple." So you tell them, "Could we have 4 apples, please?" After they get them for you, they'll ask, "Sure, anything else?" You can then inquire, "Do you have oranges?" The seller might say, "Yes, $2 per orange." You might think, that's a bit expensive at a market. It's sometimes possible to bargain. You can ask, "Do you give a discount if we buy more?" The seller could offer a deal. "If you buy 6 oranges, I can give them to you for $10. That sounds good, so you agree. "Great, we'll take 6. Thank you." And with that, our shopping is done. It was fun, and we used many useful phrases. Practice these lines to feel more confident when you're in stores and markets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.